Well, hi everyone, welcome to Kawasaki Restos with Krazza. Today I'm actually fitting some sleeves into a block that I've bought out. They're aftermarket sleeves. They're going to take the cylinder out to 1200cc. It's for my turbocharged bike. The pistons I had in it were bypassing oil, bypassing the boost into the crankcase, and it was pushing oil out through the gaskets and through the breather. So I had to bite the bullet and get new pistons and new sleeves. So that's what I'm doing in this video. I'm just installing the sleeves. So I hope you enjoy it. Think about subscribing if you're enjoying my channel. I do put up stuff every now and again. I think you'll enjoy it. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this video and thanks for watching. Cheers. Just heating up the block. I haven't got an oven for it, but I've got 3 sleeves in already. 1 to go. Thought I'd film it just using the heat gun. The last sleeve to go in, number 2. And I've just got the sleeve out of the freezer. So I've got it with the veggies, of course. There's the sleeve, just keeping it cold. And I'll just pull it out of there once I've got the block up to temperature, and I'll chuck it into the block. Just keep heating it, and I'll do that in a minute. That's hot. Let's go. So that's the sleeve out of the freezer. Just put a bit of Loctite on it, just so that it seals. There we go, a bit of Loctite. And now it should just drop in. Happy days. Just drops in like that. That's it, all done. There you go. Use the heat gun at home. I don't have an oven for it, so yeah, the sleeve goes into the freezer, like I said, and the block just gets heated up by the heat gun. Just get it hot enough so that, you know, your hand burns as soon as you touch it, and it should be successful. So once again, thanks for watching, and God bless. Bye.